Welcome back, beautiful souls. Are you tired of dealing with frizzy, unruly hair every morning? Well, fear not, because today I've got you covered with the ultimate solution, handheld hair dryers. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of hair drying technology and explore the top 5 handheld hair dryers that promise to revolutionize your styling routine. From compact designs to powerful performance, we'll unravel the features, benefits, and usability of each product to help you find your perfect match. So let's jump right in. At number 1 position, we have Andis hair dryer. Let's kick things off with the Andis hair dryer, a powerhouse in the world of styling tools. This sleek and ergonomic dryer is designed to deliver professional-grade results right at home. With its lightweight construction and comfortable grip, it's a dream to handle, making styling sessions a breeze. Key features. The Andis hair dryer boasts a powerful 1875 watts motor that accelerates drying time while minimizing heat damage. It features multiple heat and speed settings, allowing for customizable styling options to suit your hair type and texture. Additionally, its ceramic technology ensures even heat distribution for smooth, frizz-free results every time. Benefits and usage. Say goodbye to frizzy hair days. The Andis hair dryer's advanced technology helps seal the hair cuticle, locking in moisture and enhancing shine for a salon-worthy finish. Whether you're aiming for sleek straight locks or voluminous curls, this dryer offers versatility and precision to achieve your desired look effortlessly. Usability. Easy to maneuver and control, this hair dryer is suitable for both novice users and seasoned stylists alike. Its lightweight design reduces hand fatigue during prolonged use, making it ideal for everyday styling needs. Plus, its compact size makes it travel-friendly, ensuring you can maintain your fabulous locks on the go. Durability. Crafted with high-quality materials, the Andis hair dryer is built to last. From its robust motor to its sturdy construction, it can withstand regular use without compromising performance. Invest in this reliable companion, and you'll enjoy years of flawless styling without any hiccups. And there you have it, folks, the Andis hair dryer, a game-changer in the world of hairstyling. With its powerful performance, versatile features, and durable construction, it's no wonder why this dryer has earned a top spot on our list. Stay tuned as we delve into the next contender that promises to elevate your styling experience to new heights. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Revlon Folding Handle Hair Dryer. Say hello to convenience with the Revlon Folding Handle Hair Dryer, perfect for jet setters and busy bees alike. Its compact design and foldable handle make it a travel essential. Key features. This dryer boasts 1875 watts of power and ceramic coating to distribute heat evenly, reducing damage and promoting healthier-looking hair. The dual voltage feature makes it ideal for international travel. Benefits and usage. Enjoy salon-quality styling on the go with this lightweight and portable dryer. Its compact size doesn't compromise on performance, ensuring smooth and shiny results wherever you are. Usability. The folding handle makes it easy to pack in your suitcase or gym bag, while the multiple heat and speed settings cater to different hair types and styles. Durability. Despite its portable design, the Revlon Folding Handle Hair Dryer is built to withstand frequent use, making it a reliable companion for your travels. The number 3 position is held by Conair Handheld Hair Dryer. The Conair Handheld Hair Dryer is a trusted choice for those seeking quality performance without breaking the bank. With its affordable price tag and impressive features, it's a winner in my book. Key features. Powered by 1875 watts, this dryer delivers quick drying while minimizing heat damage. The ceramic technology ensures even heat distribution for smooth, frizz-free results. Benefits and usage. Experience salon-worthy styling at home with this budget-friendly option. From sleek blowouts to voluminous curls, the Conair handheld hair dryer handles it all with ease. Usability. Its lightweight design and comfortable grip make it suitable for everyday use. The removable filter makes cleaning a breeze, ensuring optimal performance over time. Durability. Despite its affordable price point, this dryer is built to withstand regular use, providing reliable performance for years to come. Next, at number 4, we have Handheld hair dryer. The Handheld hair dryer is a game changer in the world of styling tools, combining cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features. Prepare to be amazed by its performance! Key features. This dryer utilizes advanced infrared heat technology to dry hair quickly while reducing heat damage. With 3 heat and 2 speed settings, it offers customizable styling options for every hair type. Benefits and usage. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to silky smooth locks with this innovative dryer. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle make styling a breeze, even for extended sessions. Usability. The intuitive controls and ergonomic design ensure effortless operation, while the detachable nozzle allows for easy cleaning and maintenance. Durability. Crafted from high-quality materials, the Handheld hair dryer is built to last, providing years of reliable performance without compromising on results. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by RUSK hair dryer. Last but certainly not least, we have the RUSK hair dryer, a favorite among professionals and enthusiasts alike. With its powerful motor and salon-grade features, it's a must-have for anyone serious about their hair. Key features. Boasting an impressive 2,000 watts of power, this dryer delivers fast and efficient drying, cutting down on styling time. The ceramic and tourmaline technology combat frizz and enhance shine for flawless results. Benefits and usage. Elevate your styling game with this high-performance dryer, capable of tackling even the most stubborn hair types. From sleek styles to voluminous waves, the RUSK hair dryer delivers impeccable results every time. Usability. Despite its professional-grade features, this dryer is surprisingly lightweight and easy to handle. The multiple heat and speed settings allow for versatile styling, while the cool shot button locks in your look for long-lasting hold. Durability. Engineered for durability, the RUSK hair dryer is built to withstand the rigors of daily use, making it a worthy investment for your styling arsenal. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 handheld hair dryers that'll take your styling game to the next level. Whether you're jet-setting around the globe or perfecting your everyday look at home, there's a dryer on this list to suit your needs. Don't forget to check the description box for links to these fantastic products. Until next time, stay fabulous!